Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to save a photo from a chat to your gallery on Messenger, you're in the right place. This quick guide will walk you through the updated steps so you can keep your memories safe and easily accessible. First, open the Messenger app on your device. You'll land on your list of conversations, ready to dive into your chats. Next, open the chat that contains the photo you want to save. It could be a personal message or a group chat, but the process is the same for both. Now, once you're in the chat, locate the media or photo section. This is a handy compartment that collects all shared images from the conversation. Tap on the photo you want to keep. By opening the image, you'll see a larger view and the controls you need to save it. At the top of the screen, you'll find an option that reads Save or shows a download icon. Tap that. Messenger will start the saving process and instantly place a copy of the photo into your device's gallery or camera roll. If you don't see the save option right away, look for three dots or a menu symbol in the corner of the screen. Sometimes the save command is tucked into that menu. If you're using a device with stricter privacy settings or storage permissions, Messenger may prompt you to grant access to your photos or gallery. Accept the permission so the image can be stored without a hitch. On some newer layouts, the image saves automatically after you tap the download icon, but you'll still get a quick confirmation toast letting you know everything went through. A handy tip to avoid repeats. After you save the first photo, you can go back to the chat's media section and save additional images from the same conversation with a similar tap sequence. This streamlines the process when you're saving a handful of photos from a single chat. If you ever run into trouble, it could be due to outdated app versions or storage permissions. Check that Messenger is up to date in your app store and review your device's permissions to ensure photos or gallery access is enabled. A quick update or permission tweak usually gets you back on track in minutes. So next time you spot a photo you want to keep, follow these steps. Open Messenger, go to the chat with media, tap the photo and hit save or the download icon at the top. Your image will appear in your gallery, ready to share, edit, or simply relive the moment whenever you like.